Good evening, YouTubers. Welcome back to the channel, Queen's Adventures, and this is another night in Tenerife. A journey out for the evening. We're going to go in Prince Regent for a beer. Decide where we're going to go, and we're going to take you along with us for a journey. Keep tuned in and follow us on where we're going to eat out tonight.
And in the comments, give us ideas where we should eat, and it'll help us out.
Yeah.
Alright.
Go for a no starter.
Wait, do we do garlic bread?
No, we can't do garlic bread.
No, only have Chinese bread, my friend.
Chinese bread. Yeah. I'll have the vegetable spring roll, please.
Ethan?
You don't want a starter?
You want a starter? Ethan, starter? No. I'll have salt and pepper spare ribs, please.
Pepper ribs, sure, yes.
Yep. Right. Ethan, main course.
Just told him.
Already got it.
You already got it?
Nuggets.
Yeah, have nuggets for him.
Nuggets.
What do you want?
Same as you.
Right, we'll have 2 portions of special fried rice.
Special fried rice.
Yes.
Yes, 2 times.
Yep, that's twice.
I'll have the chicken chow mein, please.
Chicken chow mein, very good. It's awesome.
Yeah, where do we have the steaks? Steaks here.
That's a full meal, though. Is it a full meal, then?
Him on the other rice.
No, yeah, you...
Special
yeah,
fried rice,
so...
is it full meal?
No, you like the shell or you like everybody is different, okay? Everybody likes special rice and beef or chicken curry, mix.
Oh, right,
Well,
you get... Yeah,
right,
so
right,
what do you
tell what
want in
then.
your special fried rice?
So, you still want special fried rice? Yeah? That's 1 special fried rice, and I'll change mine to a fillet steak with red wine and black pepper, served on a hot plate.
Yes,
But you'll need rice with it.
red wine, yes, you like a medium,
So, egg
well
fried.
done.
Medium to well done, please.
So you'll need an egg
Yes, I
fried
put
rice.
medium
something.
because it's coming out, okay?
Yeah.
You move the meat too?
Yeah.
Okay.
And some egg fried rice, please.
It's nicer.
Egg fried.
So what do you want in your chicken fried... egg fried rice? Special fried rice, nothing?
Nothing.
Just the rice?
Just rice, isn't it?
Okay, chicken nuggets for him.
Yeah.
Spring roll, vegetable spring roll, you give salt pepper, the starter.
Yep.
Special rice for the other one. Chicken chow mein is fillet steak, the wine.
Yeah.
Medium, you want egg fried rice.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, you've got barbecue spare ribs in there, salt and pepper ribs.
Yeah,
haven't you?
yeah.
Yeah, really that.
I got a shaker. Okay, so
Yeah,
perfect. Okay.
I've gone for fillet steak instead of special fried rice.
You have been the karting?
Huh?
You've been the kart?
Been on the curtain.
No.
No.
Is it good?
I'm the yours. My father have two kids the driving the karting. I'm all the time. My father to make the karting, the motor new. I'm have 8 hours the circuit non stop for checking the motor.
I used to race them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
My father as well before the rallies in Portugal is Spain.
The ones I used to race, 160 miles an hour.
Is it Spanish?
Yeah,
I'll show you a picture in a bit.
little sweet.
One of my friends had said, get that and it's very nice.
Yeah, somebody, I think it's good wine.
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay, it's cold pot.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well,
What are you doing?
I'm doing fully trying to get this thing out of my pocket.
I get comfy.
Ethan, shut up.
Recording. Did you fit my ciggy up?
Yeah.
You're the same size bottle as.
I didn't.
Is it small?
It were up. Yeah, no, it's a
Small one.
that's
So it's like a glass, 2 glasses.
Probably a glass and a half.
Is it good that? What is it?
Nice. Salvanadino. Very Tenerife wine.
Alright, you want to get that back on with you?
No. It's nice. Ooh, where's that from? In there.
It's got whipped cream in it.
Has everybody seen it? Put it on camera.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Ethan's milkshake.
Be nice. Don't look at all the ones though.
These quavers.
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 Could be what's it?
What? 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 You gonna say pot scratchings?
I was gonna put.
Remember, should services.
When did you get this? Just now?
It tells you. I don't know when.
What's that for?
Probably when I had no internet.
What's that for?
Well,
See?
it's give me a load more things.
What
10th
thingy?
of the 6th. So when we're 10th.
10th of June.
Right, that's no good because it's gone.
Oops.
Oh no, you only got it at £4.
Yeah, it's weird.
You only got it at +4.
So what's it say?
If you're not clicking on it, I'll go on mine and have a look on mine.
Okay.
Should I ask him if he has
Nice.
Wi-Fi? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Stop it.
I didn't ask him if he has Wi-Fi.
Ethan.
Stop it.
I speak.
No, I haven't received them. Unless I've received them before, I haven't received them.
To be honest with you, Tuesday night, very, very quiet, isn't it?
It is quiet.
Very quiet. Prince Regent over the road, it's they've got live Dutch football on. And they're open until 1 a.m.
5 till 1. Play
5 p.m. and it till 1 in the
Yeah.
morning. But they close Mondays for rest day.
And they play 80s music if they've
80s
not got
music,
football on.
nice, very nice and clean bar, isn't it?
Yeah. Lovely.
And straight across the footpath, the road is the Phoenix is what we're in tonight. Up to now, everyone's just looking okay. Still very, very muggy, isn't it? Humid.
Does, yeah. Very hot.
We actually booked a tuk-tuk tour
Oh, I can't wait for
yesterday, and we're gonna vlog that on Thursday, and that's a 2-hour tuk-tuk trip.
that. We went 2 years ago, didn't
2
we?
years ago it was brilliant. We had the hour trip, but this time we were a 2-hour trip.
Did we have an hour trip?
Yeah,
On the
an hour.
last one?
Yeah. This is a 2-hour trip. This so
We tuk-tuk, did we have an hour or two?
no, an hour. No, it was an hour. An hour. So this time we got a 2-hour trip.
Yeah, it was good. Even pumping to everybody out there, weren't you?
Yeah, usually on.
And you're doing it
I
again.
thought all the restaurants were a bit busy, but
Yeah, don't blame me. Don't blame me to everybody.
I thought all these restaurants were busy.
No, I don't.
No, stop.
Maybe it's
Doing what?
maybe it's travel day for people.
Doing what again? Doing what again?
Tuk-tuks. We'll do it on vlogging
Hey
instead.
up, what's here now? Something here now.
Chicken nugget.
Over there.
Chicken nuggets.
Oh yeah.
Yes, thank you.
So I can be sauce from the steak.
Thank you very much.
Very salt
Yep.
pepper.
Cheers, thank you.
Hello.
I've got my main course now.
Because you're
Carrot.
Carrot.